Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Today, we diving into Nigeria stock market, to analyze last week top gainers and how they performed, and more importantly, why they made it at the top gainer list. This is not a buy, sell, or hold type of video. This is just to give you an insight about, the mood of the stock market. However, my stock recommendation video will come shortly after this one. So subscribe to see that one, when it gets uploaded. So let's begin. Number one on the list is GTCo. GTCo, is up 10.66%. Now, GTCo stock price is 135 naira per share. GTCo is in a clear uptrend. However, at this point, it looks overbought. Short-term pullback is likely next week, especially if this momentum fades. The momentum gained on GTCo last week because GTCo is about to pay dividend. Number two is Nascon. Nascon is up 9.52% last week, right? So the current stock price for Nascon is 161 naira per share. Nascon released full year 2025 results. Profit after tax surged to 115% to 33.5 billion. Clearly, revenue grew 26.8% to 152.7 billion. Keep in mind, Nascon dominates the Nigeria salt market, about 92.5% of revenue. And this is actually fueling investors' confidence. Nascon is in a clear uptrend. Number three, Guinness. Guinness stock price is 462.90 per share. Guinness revenue grew to 730.8 billion. The company is expected to resume dividend payment in 2026 after a 2-year pause. This has caused bullish sentiment in investors, which is making their stocks now bullish. However, Guinness looks overbought at this point, but I'm not sure it's fully bought. The reason is, more people will likely buy Guinness due to them, announcing dividend payments. Number four, Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is up 8.74%. Zenith Bank stock price as at now is 112 naira per share. Zenith Bank released, 2025 results, and they made a profit of 126 trillion pre-tax, and dividend, was increased to 10 naira per share. At this point, Zenith Bank, stock is clearly in an uptrend. Number five is Honey Flour. Honey Flour is 6.75% up. The stock price is currently 21.35 per share. Now, for Honey Flour, right, investors are balancing Honey Flour's strong 1-year gain, that which is 110% against recent profit pressure. Now, the market sentiment for Honey Flour is, Honey Flour is showing steady uptrend momentum and looking to take off. Number six, Nestle. Nestle, is currently up 6.36%, and Nestle stock price is currently 3,249.90 thousand naira per share. At this point, I can only say I see profit taking, currently ongoing in Nestle. Number seven, UACN. UACN is currently 6.06%, and current stock price for UACN is 105 naira per share. UACN revenue surged 73% to 340.5 billion. Now, this is a strong top line growth after Chi acquisition. They have also declared to pay dividends of 1 naira per share. Well, at this point, UACN is clearly in an uptrend. So, like I said earlier from the beginning, right? So, the essence of this video is to explain what happened in the top gainers stocks of last week. The next video will be my, stocks recommendation video for this new week. So, hit the like button and subscribe to see that one, when it's uploaded. See you in the next video.